we got the picks from the weekend. The first one is Storvald Frost Giant Jarl, which is a 7-mana green, white, and blue legendary creature giant, which has Ward 3. Other creatures you control have Ward 3. Whenever Storvald enters the battlefield or attacks, choose one or both. Target creature has base power and toughness 7/7 until end of turn, or target creature has base power and toughness 1/1 until end of turn. The next one is the Court Street Denizen, which is a 3-mana white creature human soldier. Whenever another white creature enters the battlefield under your control, tap target creature an opponent controls. The third one, a little bit different. This is just a hard copy of the card. So this one is Stefan Moore Progenitor, which is a 4-mana blue-red legendary creature flying. At the beginning of your end step, create a blood token for each player who lost life this turn. Whenever Stefan attacks, you may sacrifice 2 blood tokens. If you do, you may put a vampire card from your hand onto the battlefield tapped and attacking. It gains indestructible until end of turn. And then our last one is a Chart a Course, which is a 2-mana blue sorcery. Draw 2 cards, then discard a card unless you attack with a creature this turn. So we got these 4. What do you think? What's your favorite?
Kind of obvious, I think, but Storvald the Frost Giant, it's a little bit of a pricey commander, but other creatures you control have Ward 3. That is almost ridiculous of a buff, because every time they get targeted by anything, the targeter would have to pay 3 extra mana to make it happen. That just seems incredibly powerful as a commander. I'd turn it into like an equipment type deck with a bunch of other big creatures and just make an unstoppable army of giant-like things. The other cards are neat, but clearly a mixed bag. So, obviously, they're all 4 separate orders, not the same commander. It'd be a wild deck otherwise. But.
Let us know your pick from this weekend, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our page to see more. Thanks.